everyone, welcome back to my channel and I hope you all are doing great. I know it's been a while since I released my last makeup tutorial and I've actually given it some thought on whether or not it's about time that I release another one. But yeah, I wasn't just too sure if it's the right time to do it. But after giving it much thought, I thought to myself, perhaps many of you would want to learn how to do makeup that's camera appropriate or video call appropriate, should I say, as this situation has forced us to be locked inside our homes, doing more of these Zoom calls, Skype calls, FaceTime, e-sessions, or whatever you might want to call it. So, I've been observing a lot of these TV interviews and I actually get quite annoyed when I see reporters going on live like as if they've been forced to do so, or appearing like they've just hopped out of the shower. And so it looks so weird to me. And I was thinking maybe I should go ahead and just do this tutorial and show you some tricks on how to make you appear livelier and more, normal in photos. So yeah, what I'm gonna show you in this video is just how to properly define your face, and especially defining this part of your brows, because this is the part which usually disappears when you're in front of the camera. Anyway, we don't have to work with heavy makeup today because we're not dealing with harsh lights like that in newsrooms or studios. So it's pretty much basic. It's just about defining and enhancing some of your natural features, and yeah, just so you appear brighter in your videos. So yeah, and just so we don't look like we're watching MTV Cribs every time. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this video. Watch this. So first we apply a color corrector. I normally use this to conceal my under eye dark circles before putting my concealer on. So yeah, basically just cover your dark under eye circles. Then after covering your dark under eye circles with a color corrector, now it's time to put concealer. Anyway, I'll list down all the products I've used in the description below. Yeah, I usually just like putting it with my fingers first before brushing off the excess with the brush. Now it's time to apply a BB cream. I'm using one from Nature Republic. I like it because it just gives you the right amount of coverage if you have well, I just apply this much and just dot it all over your face. Maybe I need to add a bit more. And this really feels light in the face. It gives you just the right amount of coverage just to even out your skin tones. Just maybe even it out with a stippling brush. I like that it's barely there, so I don't know if you'd want to try this out too. Yeah. Generally don't like using foundation, and you're just at home anyway, so we just want to appear a bit more, a bit more groomed than your usual home look. So next we need to contour. So just get any contour kit you have. To me, the more useful shades are these ones. So I usually start off with a bronzer, but any matte bronzer would do. Just make sure that it's matte and it doesn't have any hint of shimmer on, because that's not going to contour your face and add more definition. So just using a grayish tone, we just have to define it some more. When you do your contour, actually you should just stop right where your eyes stop. So contouring here up to this area. Don't forget this part. So just to give your face well, just to tie it all up together. So there. Just made your face a bit more slimmer. Soften it up with a bigger brush. So next we're gonna have to define our nose line if you like. Just stop at this part because you don't want to. This is not the time to really go hard with your contouring your nose. Just go easy on this one. And then maybe add a bit of contour in this part. Hula is also a Hula benefit. I don't know if any of you have this, but this is a good contour product as well. So you could also use it to define your face. Now it's time to define your brows. So grab a spoolie brush, looks like this, and you can just comb through the hairs of your brows first before adding in some color. Usually just start at this point. Can you see that? This point, and then slowly define this part too, and define this. So you don't have to put much color when you're going through this part because you don't want your brows to appear too strong. We'd want it to be as natural as possible, so let's just define this part and this part. So, just do it on the other side. Add some powder if you like, just to fill in this part better, this part especially. And I usually would like to use a darker shade for the outer edges. So all the brow products I'm using are from K Palette. Don't worry, I'll list them down below. through the strands with the screwy just to make it look more natural again. Just to even out the product you've put on, especially the powder. So now we're done with the brows. I just want to groom it with the help of a brow gel. This one I'm using is from Sunnies Face. You can actually get a clear one, a cheaper one at the drugstores. A clear mascara would work just as fine. So this step actually keeps your brow strands in place. Just remind them. There you go. And I'd like to brush it off with a spoon. To remove the excess. Now it's time to add a bit of color. But before we do that, we have to start off with why do you feel like this part has just gotten a lot more thicker? A second of color there. So you may now proceed to adding some highlight if you like. This step you could actually skip. I'm using one from NARS in the shade of Albatross. It actually just looks like this, and you basically just apply some more highlights on the cheekbones and on your nose bridge, Cupid's bow. But I like using a lot here. See that glowy sheen. So, yeah, maybe you'd want to add a bit more in this part of your forehead. Just don't overdo it, because you don't want to appear too glowy in front of your goals, right? Now we're done with the highlight. We could just do... Did I forget to contour my eyelids to this part of your eyes? Just go ahead and apply. So there. You can now add some blush. I'm using one here from NARS. This is really a nice palette I would usually bring with me when I travel, because it contains basically everything. It has your blush color, your highlight, your contouring colors. So it's just everything in one. So this is the NARS Exposed Cheek Palette. This is not a sponsored video, by the way, so you're welcome, NARS. Use all the colors. Just brush through them like this, and then just apply it on your cheekbones. appear more livelier. It's not the right time to do those mga drug blush types. Don't do that now. Just what I love about this palette is it has this peach tone, so it doesn't make me look. It makes it look more natural than a super big blush. Maybe just rub off the excess here. It's fine, just do it this way. So I have here a nice brown eyeliner from Kate. It's a gel pencil liner. I'm not sure if you can see that. Anyway, I'll listen down below. So just a tight line. Just make it super thin, just to define your eyes. So I'd like to normally start with the middle, then working outward. Because to me, if you're in a rush, that's the most important part you should define. So it's just this part to this part, this part to this part. Yeah, for me, I never skip this part because it automatically opens up my eyes. Eyeliner and eye curler. So when you're done curling your eyes, look at that. It just makes you look so wide awake. To finish it off, we can enhance it with the help of a mascara. I'm using one from Maybelline here. It's the Lash Sensational Mascara. It really helps, look. So they're just finished. So usually I'd like to soften the blush and everything else just to blend it all together before I add my lipstick. The key is to really blend everything well. So in this part where your contour meets your blush, you need to really blend it well. So once you're done with everything, with applying cheek color, eye color, and defining your eyes and brows and all that, it's now time to apply your favorite tint. I usually use a rose color tint to make it appear natural. And this is a balm tint from K Palette. I really like this because it makes my lips appear more glowy and more youthful. It doesn't dry out the lips, so let me show you. You know what I love about this? No matter how much you've eaten the entire day, it really stays on. So if you're the type to be lazy to keep on reapplying lipstick, I think this should work for you. So yeah, that's about it, and I hope you enjoyed this session, and feel free to drop a comment below or ask me whatever questions you have in mind with regards to whatever alternatives I can share with you with regards to your current makeup situation, because I know it has been quite a challenge to get all these within reach, all these makeup stuff. So yeah, I hope you all do stay safe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!